Most people don't scream when they're drowning. There's no waving, no yelling for help. From the outside, it looks normal. That's why it gets missed. People think drowning looks like panic and splashing. It doesn't. When I was working on the coast, I saw this more than once. Someone who would be in the water, not far out, close enough to where you'd think they were fine. Their head stays low, their mouth barely above the surface. They're not calling for help because they can't. When your body thinks it's about to drown, everything shuts down except one thing: breathing. Your brain doesn't care about yelling, it doesn't care about waving your arms. All it wants is air. So people go silent. They try to push down on the water just to lift their mouth up for a second, again and again, until they can't anymore. From the outside, it doesn't look like a mercy. It looks like someone treading water. That's why people drown with others nearby. That's why it happens fast. And that's why it gets missed. By the time it looks serious, it usually is.